Nagabinta ki khubor baman kasni pet but subscribe ya u an Rajya Sabha ujimpi ki Sangma ksni palhe ulapan pau ya ka jing sngongo ya ka Meghalaya Democratic Alliance MDA kabala ai jing trailang ba jing krishan lang ya ka kerteng jong u bat ula kular ban train na kamta ka bhag miat jong ka jila Meghalaya bar ki pat ba jongka haba kran shikilat pathai khubor hadin bala pinna ya ukum UMP ba job klem jing ya khun u James la ong ba ka sngi ba la thep kerteng om tangi de khat jong ka seng jong u ki bala sun ran ya u Ndai wat kinong yalam ba kinong mi khmat jung seng be tre lang hapo ka MDE ru kle don lang. Ka ba pin I ye ka jing tli jung ka kin hun sun ram. Ulong ru baha ka por bla jit u kertong na dan bun ki jing kren ba ki wei pat ki kerteng ki balami. Henry ulong ba kini ka de ka benta ka bjuja ka sun shar pat ba Henry ka MDE kala ne skema ka nong rim jong ka ba da ka ba kut kala shim ya ka rai ban kershan lang ya u. Shapang ki kam ki ba utmu banne kum MP Rajya Sabha u James lo ong ba untrai rungkat ba ka sarkar jilla bar ka sarkar preng ban pintikna ba ki scheme ba ki program pin roi ba pher ken yat bet bar kin poisha ki jingyo jingmentoi jong ki pat ba ulong ba ka jilla kadang don bun ki mat ki badan kam ban pet ngor bat ukloi ban ra ikini ki kam shikirin san ki badai da ka ba silong bar ka sarkar jilla bar ki benta ki ba dei benta Haba jubab ika jinkali halor ka jingi trailang berkiwe ki MP na ki seng san perthai ba pher u James la ong ba wat la ki dei na ki seng ba pher re ki nong mi khmat pat ba ki di ban bu hakmat he ya ga jimun toy jong ki pat ba bat ka jila nganget ba kinu ki MP ki badan akor kan perkhat ning kong ya ka bhag miat jong ki pat ba bat ka jila ngarungan but ya ka ni ka nong rim haba rai ya ki mat ki badai ban but din ban jingya khun ula ong haba kran shapang ga jingyo ka kon Jong ka jilla u James lakdaw yo put usam ka ri Bangladesh bad ong ba ka jilla ka don kalat ka bakraw ban kan tiu ya ka khayi pateng lingba ka khapun Meghalaya ka don yo uput usam bad ka Bangladesh bad kum ka jilla ka long ka badon jingmut ban pet shikilat khayi pateng bad jingya trailang ban pinroy ya ka yo ka kon om tang ban pet shike history ka don kalat ka ba he bha ban ya trailang bad ka Ministry of Commerce and Industry ban wat kilat thammai ban pen kiu ka khayi pateng par ki kam yo jingeram ha ka liang ka yo ka kon ula pen tra
Just visit the returning officer and the process for the last date for withdrawal, which was slated for 3 p.m. today, uh, was completed, and after that, I just now received my certificate of election from the hands of the returning officer. And I just want to say this that I feel deeply humbled, and yet at the same time I feel very, very honored to be shouldering this responsibility. I know it is a very, very big responsibility to represent our state of Meghalaya in the upper house, and knowing my responsibility fully well, I intend to carry this responsibility with all my dedication and my sincerity.
So, when it comes to representation, they say representation is a little weak and meek of the Northeast, Meghalaya included. When it comes to representing the state in the parliament, they say that it's not you don't get that many opportunities to do so. How do you ensure that you push up, level up in this?
So yes, it is always a challenge, because to speak in the parliament, to get an opportunity to express yourself is on a representative basis. So because of less numbers of MPs in the northeast, it's always a challenge. But I believe that persistence, patience is something that I will need to ensure that I have that in plenty, and I will keep always press for more time be allotted, especially because there are many, many issues, not just in our state of Meghalaya, but in the entire region, the northeast, that need that kind of voice in parliament. So it will always be, my endeavor to impress and stress upon the fact that northeast needs a lot of more talking room and talking space, talking time in parliament.
So, what will be your priorities? What will be
The priorities there are plenty. I mean, of course, from the Meghalaya perspective, we all know that we are pushing for inclusion, Khasi and Garo in the age schedule. Then there are many other issues that Meghalaya has in terms of the voice that we want to be in Parliament. But of course, there are other issues in democracy as well that need to be highlighted.
Well, sir, in fact, we have seen there has been a demand for implementation of online public, and in fact, earlier also MPP, Rajya Sabha MP has pushed for it. So, in this regard, what are you planning to do? What is your plan?
Will you also be pushing for it?
As we all know, this is an issue which has been passed in the Meghalaya Legislative Assembly as a resolution. So it is my bounden duty as a representative of the state to carry forward that resolution so that it finds a voice in the halls of the Rajya Sabha. So yes, I will be pursuing this matter.
What about Garo language?
Of course, as I mentioned, that also is part of the resolution, and that will also be finding a place among many other agendas in what I will be pursuing in Rajasthan.
Can you tell the mission and
say
vision?
that some of your alliance
Can you
partners
tell
are
the
not-
mission and vision after you are electing us MPs?
My vision and mission.
Yeah.
The vision and mission, of course, the roles and responsibilities. Everyone knows what the roles and responsibilities of honourable member of parliament is. Namely, it is to raise issues in the upper house of parliament, and that is something that I am well aware of. And as I was just mentioning, that these will be issues which we will be taking up. Others are, of course, in my role as a member of parliament, I can also play the role of somebody in New Delhi where governmental programs, schemes can also be pursued in respective government departments. So I will be offering my services to the government also to take up those kind of matters.
So reports say that some of your alliance partners of the MDA are not happy about your selection.